So I made this video today to talk about the RadRunner e-bike. I picked up about a year ago, and I went with this one because for one, the price, it was the cheapest one I could find at the time. The reviews looked good, it seemed very durable. Also too, the company offers all these accessories that you don't really see with other companies, and I thought perhaps I could use these accessories and maybe come up with a cooler design. And after about a few months of tinkering, this is what I came up with. I think I'm done. I wanted to share it with you. As you can see, I've changed quite a bit and switched out the seat, the handlebars, the headlight, bobbed the tail fender, added some pinstripe and some graphics. Got those Triumph Scrambler knee guards there. Added about 3 inches of height to the center console, just for looks. I think it looks much better that way. Upgraded the controller to the 35 amp. And I put together a little musical montage with some pretty neat little shots. Hope you enjoy. So I wanted to answer some of the questions that I had in going into this, just in case anyone else has the same questions. This bike comes stock with a 17 amp controller with a top speed of 19 miles an hour before the motor just cuts off completely. And in upgrading the controller to the 35 amp, I've noticed a huge increase in torque and top speed from, again, 19 to about 26, 27 miles an hour, which, you know, in keeping up with traffic downtown, it means a lot. This bike has no suspension, which kind of sucks, but for me it's not that much of a deal breaker because the tires and the seat, you know, do just enough for me, and I find myself standing on it more often than not. Overall range, I would say 30 miles is a good estimate. I like to floor it. Most often I hardly ever pedal on the thing, and I usually just look at about 30 miles an hour. 30 miles of range, I should say. This new display is quite a bit better than the one it came with. The analog gauge is just a dummy gauge. I use it as a cup cap. It's where my drink goes when I have a drink. When there's no drink, I just place that dummy gauge there. Overall, I'm very happy with it. If anyone has any suggestions or comments, please don't be shy. And thank you for watching.